The Bainbridge combines powerful high-efficiency performance, mesmerizing flames, and controlled combustion heating from a compact firebox. Circulating design features facade, square or arched doors, and ceramic glass for optimum heat transfer. 2.0 cubic foot insulated firebox that accepts up to 19-inch log size for increased performance. Air combustion control for variable heat output. Choose from multiple square and arch facade and door combinations to achieve an attractive style that is customized to individual taste. The Bainbridge is back